So when this potential client told me, hey Sue, I'm not gonna move forward with your home care agency. I found another agency that I think is better for me. I was happy for them, whatever I could do to help them at that time, we did. But guess what? I kept in contact with them. I kept following up with them for an entire year. And it took them a year to say yes. Yes, I know some of you be like, Sue, what do you mean you keep following up with them? You keep staying in contact with them? Yes, like one of the things that I did, I asked them for permission to add them in our newsletter. So they're getting information from us consistently, right? So we're reaching out, they're getting follow-up with emails, and those emails are set up automatically. Like automation is doing the heavy lifting for me. So imagine how much money you're leaving on the table by not having automation to follow up with people who like, hey, they were not interested in the service, and providing them some value so they can see your heart, they can see your value, they can see what you stand for and work with you.